In this video, we're applying U-STUCCO to autoclaved aerated concrete, or AAC Block, using both trowel and spray application. This is a single-coat insulated stucco designed to add fire, water, and thermal protection in one step. U-STUCCO is supplied as a dry, ready-to-mix powder. On site, we simply add clean water and mix to a smooth, workable consistency. The material is ultra-lightweight and fiber-reinforced, so it handles easily while still delivering strength, crack resistance, and an R value of about 2.2 per inch of thickness. AAC is already a high-performance masonry substrate. When we combine it with U-STUCCO, we upgrade the wall with additional fire resistance, continuous insulation, moisture protection, and sound dampening, all in a single coat. U-STUCCO bonds directly to AAC blocks without complex preparation, so in this assembly we are not using metal lath or mesh over the block. We go straight to the substrate, which saves time, materials, and labor. Here you see the trowel application. After confirming that the AAC surface is clean, dry, and structurally sound, the applicator loads the trowel and presses U-STUCCO firmly into the block to create a strong bond. The material can be built up to about 1 inch in a single pass, replacing traditional scratch, brown, and finish coats with one integrated layer. The crew then rods and floats the surface to achieve a flat, uniform plane and the desired texture. U-STUCCO is engineered to be installed either by hand or with spray equipment, so contractors can choose the most efficient method for each project. Spraying allows high production rates while maintaining the same single-coat system over the AAC wall. After spraying, the material is again leveled and finished with hand tools. Once cured, this AAC assembly now has an insulated, hydrophobic, and breathable exterior shell. The U-STUCCO layer helps keep bulk water out while still allowing vapor to escape, reducing the risk of trapped moisture and mold. It also contributes to energy efficiency by covering thermal bridges and improving the overall R value of the wall. For more information on mix ratios, application guidelines, and full test reports, visit ustucco.com or contact our technical team for project-specific support.